Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to install iTunes on Windows 11 or 10 PC. Earlier, to access the iTunes service on Windows 11 or 10 PC, you needed to download the iTunes installer from Apple website and follow a series of steps. However, the app is now available through the Microsoft Store, and even you can install it through Winget command. To install it through a store app, first click on the Start button at the taskbar and search for a store and click on the Microsoft Store entry. Once Microsoft Store opens, you need to click on this one search box and type here iTunes. In the search results, click on this one iTunes entry and then click on this one get button to install iTunes on your Windows 11 or 10 PC, or you can search for a start menu and type here CMD, then right click on this one command prompt entry and select here run as administrator option. In case Windows prompts, click on the yes button. In the elevated command prompt window, you need to type winget install id apple.com iTunes and then press enter on the keyboard. This will download and install iTunes for you. And in case you want to uninstall it from your Windows 11 PC, you need to issue the command winget uninstall id apple.itunes. Let it be installed, then I will show how to uninstall it from your Windows machine. Once you get message successfully installed, that means iTunes is installed on your Windows machine. You can now click on the start button and search for iTunes to use it on your Windows machine. Once you want to install, uninstall it from your Windows PC, then again click on this one start button and search here for CMD. Then right click on this one command prompt entry and select run as administrator. In case Windows prompts, click on the yes button. In the elevated command prompt window, you need to type winget uninstall id apple.itunes. I will put these both commands in this video description. So in case you need it, you can copy it from there. After typing this one command, press enter on the keyboard to uninstall iTunes from your Windows 11 or 10 machine. Once you see this one message successfully uninstalled, that means iTunes is now removed from your Windows machine. That's all about this video. If you are new to our channel Geared Up Windows, kindly subscribe it. And if you love this video, press thumbs up. Bye bye.